土, earth or mud. 土, there are around 580 characters to be found under 土. 土 means earth or mud, and 土 is a pictogram. There is one form of 土. Pay attention to the bottom horizontal line. It has to be longer than the first to make it 土. If the bottom horizontal line is shorter than the first, it's another character called 士, a scholar. 土 mainly shows on the left or bottom part of the characters. 地 means ground, and ground relates to mud. 地 is the left 土, earth, and the right 野 also. 坐 is to sit, and 人 means a person. Two people on the 土, earth, are to 坐, sit. 衣 cloth. 衣 there are around 607 characters to be found under 衣. 衣 means cloth. 衣 is a pictogram, and it's from a traditional Chinese clothing style. There are two forms in 衣. The complete form 衣 transforms into the side form 衣 when appearing on the left. 袖 is a sleeve. 袖 is the left side 衣 cloth, and the right 由 sprout. 装 is a dress or clothing. 装 is the complete form 衣 on the bottom and the phonetic 壮 strong on the top. 山 mountain. 山 there are around 636 characters to be found under 山. 山 means mountain, and 山 is a pictogram. There's one form in 山. 山 mainly shows on the left. However, it also shows on the top or bottom. There are 3 examples for 山, and you'll see 山 appears in different places. 峰 is a mountain peak, and 山 shows on the left. 岸 means shore, and 岳 is a mountain peak. 岸 and 岳 relate to 山, and 山 appear on the top or bottom of the characters. 火 fire. 火 there are around 639 characters to be found under 火. 火 means fire, and 火 is a pictogram. There are 2 forms in 火. The form 火 transforms into 4 dots 火 when appearing on the bottom of a Chinese character. When 火 on the left, 火 changes to skinnier, and 炒 stir fry is an example. When 火 on the bottom, 火 transform into 4 dots, as you can see in 煎 pan fry. Please note that the left dot is towards the left, while the rest 3 dots are to the right.